Have you ever stopped to marvel at the rapid pace of technological innovation? Every day, inventors and engineers are turning wild ideas into tangible realities. From gadgets that heal themselves to clothes that reflect your mood, the world of rare inventions is nothing short of miraculous. Some of these creations solve everyday problems, others push the boundaries of science, and a few might leave you scratching your head in awe. Ready to dive into the future? Let's explore 14 of the rarest, most extraordinary inventions that exist today. 14. The folding electric scooter, the ultimate commuter's companion. Urban life can be hectic with crowded buses and endless traffic jams. The folding electric scooter is here to save the day. Weighing only a few pounds and compact enough to fit in a backpack, this scooter offers unparalleled convenience. The design features a lightweight aluminum frame, a rechargeable battery, and wheels sturdy enough to handle uneven streets. Whether you're a student rushing to class or a professional heading to work, this scooter makes getting around effortless and eco-friendly. Once you reach your destination, fold it up and carry it like a briefcase, no need to worry about parking or storage. Commuting is now more flexible, but what if you could lift heavy loads without breaking a sweat? Introducing 13. Robot Suit Exoskeleton. Transform into a real-life Iron Man. Designed to enhance human strength and endurance, the robot suit exoskeleton is revolutionizing industries like construction, healthcare, and even defense. Equipped with advanced robotics, these suits allow wearers to lift weights up to 10 times their natural capacity while reducing the risk of injuries. In construction, workers can handle heavy materials with ease, while in rehabilitation, patients recovering from spinal injuries use these suits to regain mobility. The exoskeleton also has applications in the military, enabling soldiers to carry heavy gear over long distances. With companies refining the technology, we might soon see these suits become a part of everyday life. As we amplify human strength, let's explore how technology is merging emotions and fashion with 12. Mood-detecting clothes. An outfit with an attitude. Imagine a world where your clothes reflect how you feel. Using thermochromic fabrics and microelectronics, mood-detecting clothes change colors based on your emotional state. If you're calm, your shirt might turn a soothing blue. If you're excited, expect vibrant reds and oranges. This invention isn't just for fun, it has practical applications. Healthcare providers could use mood-detecting uniforms to monitor patients' stress levels, while fashion brands could create collections that let individuals express their emotions effortlessly. It's the ultimate blend of personal expression and wearable tech. While your clothes display your feelings, what if your mirror could plan your day? 11. The smart mirror, more than just a reflection. The smart mirror combines AI with touchscreen technology to bring information right to your bathroom or bedroom. As you brush your teeth, it can display the weather forecast, your calendar, or fitness stats. It even offers makeup tutorials and personalized skincare advice based on facial analysis. The fitness integration is particularly impressive. The mirror syncs with wearable devices, showing real-time stats like heart rate and calories burned. For beauty enthusiasts, it recommends products tailored to your skin type. It's a luxurious addition to any home and a glimpse into the future of personalized tech. While mirrors keep you informed, imagine a phone screen that fixes itself. Let's meet. 10. The self-healing phone screen. The end of cracked screens. Smartphones are indispensable, but they're also fragile until now. The self-healing phone screen uses polymers with memory properties that repair small cracks and scratches when exposed to heat. Let's say you accidentally drop your phone, leaving a scratch across the screen. Within a few hours of gentle heat application, the screen will smooth itself out, looking as good as new. This technology not only saves money on repairs, but also extends the lifespan of devices, reducing electronic waste. While your phone heals itself, what if your car could take to the skies? Introducing 9. The flying car. Straight out of science fiction. The dream of flying cars is becoming a reality, with companies like Terfugia and PAL-V developing prototypes. These hybrid vehicles function as both cars and aircraft, offering vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Imagine driving to the outskirts of a city, switching to flight mode, and soaring over traffic to reach your destination. These flying cars are designed to make urban commuting faster and more efficient. While regulatory hurdles remain, experts predict we'll see widespread adoption within the next decade. Flying cars are futuristic, but how about drinking water without a bottle? Let's explore. 8. Water you can eat. A revolutionary way to hydrate. Known as uho, these edible water capsules are made from seaweed extracts and offer an eco-friendly alternative to plastic bottles. You simply pop the capsule in your mouth, drink the water, and eat the casing, zero waste involved. Perfect for marathons, festivals, and outdoor events, uho capsules are gaining traction among environmentally conscious consumers. Beyond water, the technology could be adapted to package other liquids like juices or cocktails, opening new possibilities in sustainable packaging. While uho tackles waste, what if we could write with our minds? Meet the 7. A machine that converts thoughts into text. I think it, and it's written. This mind-blowing invention uses neural interfaces to translate brain activity into written words. By interpreting signals from the brain, the device allows users to compose emails, texts, or even novels without typing. The potential applications are enormous. People with mobility issues could communicate more easily, while writers could capture fleeting ideas instantly. Although the technology is still experimental, it represents a major leap in brain-computer interaction. While writing with your mind is groundbreaking, what if you could see behind you without turning? Check out. 6. Glasses that let you see behind you. Your personal rearview mirror. Using angled mirrors embedded in the lenses, these glasses let you see what's happening behind you without turning your head. Cyclists can monitor traffic, hikers can watch for wildlife, and everyday users can satisfy their inner spy. Though simple in design, the practicality and novelty of these glasses make them a hit among adventurers and pranksters alike. If glasses let you see behind you, imagine an umbrella that protects you without fabric. Introducing the 5. The air umbrella. Deflecting rain with air. The air umbrella uses a motorized fan to create a high-speed airflow that pushes raindrops away, forming an invisible canopy of dry space. Unlike traditional umbrellas, this device is compact, lightweight, and doesn't flip inside out during strong winds. The rechargeable battery lasts for hours, making it perfect for unpredictable weather. While the air umbrella keeps you dry, what if your legacy could grow into a tree? Enter the world of biodegradable. 4. Biodegradable coffins, a living legacy. These eco-friendly burial pods are designed to decompose naturally and promote the growth of trees. Instead of traditional caskets that harm the environment, these biodegradable alternatives provide a way to give back to nature. Imagine your resting place transforming into a lush forest over time. This concept has gained popularity among environmentalists and those seeking meaningful ways to memorialize loved ones. While trees honor life, what if you could disappear altogether? Meet 3. Invisibility Cloak. Fiction turned reality. Using advanced metamaterials that manipulate light, scientists have created prototypes of invisibility cloaks. These materials bend light around objects, rendering them invisible to the naked eye. While current applications are limited to small-scale demonstrations, the potential is enormous. From military camouflage to advanced optical illusions, the invisibility cloak is a thrilling glimpse into the future. Invisibility is mind-boggling, but what if your coffee could stir itself? 2. The self-stirring mug. Coffee made smarter. With the press of a button, this mug stirs your drink to perfection, eliminating the need for spoons. Whether you're mixing sugar into coffee or stirring hot chocolate, the self-stirring mug saves time and reduces mess. It's perfect for busy mornings, lazy afternoons, or even as a quirky gift. The battery-operated mechanism is durable and easy to clean, making it a must-have gadget. And now for the grand finale, a treadmill that lets you defy gravity. Introducing the 1. The Anti-Gravity Treadmill. The closest you'll get to floating. Originally developed for astronauts, the anti-gravity treadmill uses air pressure to reduce the impact of gravity, allowing users to walk or run with minimal strain. Ideal for injury recovery, weight loss, or enhanced training, This treadmill lets users adjust their body weight percentage, making workouts customizable and low impact. Athletes and physical therapists alike praise its versatility and effectiveness. Conclusion. From folding scooters to anti-gravity treadmills, these rare inventions showcase human ingenuity at its finest. They not only solve problems but also inspire us to dream bigger and push boundaries. So, which invention amazed you the most? The future is here, and it's nothing short of extraordinary.